back at you with another video. Today we are doing an exhaust install on the 2001 Trans Am LS1. Today we have a SLP Performance, Street Leaf Performance catback exhaust system supplied to us by ATEC. We're going to do a quick unboxing and a small little review of the parts and where what's all included, and then we're going to go ahead and get it installed on the car. So let's check it out. Alright, so based on the weight of the box, seems to be a pretty light system, which is always a good thing for your exhaust. So we're gonna get all this opened up here and see what's all included. I just want to go first off and start by saying this is one of the most affordable exhaust systems on the market for your F-body. Retails just under $450, which for a full catback exhaust system is a great bargain. So let's see if it's worth the money. That install manual. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. So we got one of our tips right here. So it's got the dual tips. There's going to be one on each side, so it'll be quad. They got the nice SLP etched into the edge of the tip there. All right, so far that looks pretty nice. Let's set that there. This is hand drill bent, all stainless steel. Got our other tip. We'll leave it in the bubble wrap so we don't scratch it. Here. More foam. There's more foam in here than metal. Alright. So we got what looks to be maybe the pipe that goes to the muffler. Let's see here. I'm not sure how this is all going to lay out, but we'll figure it out. Get it all unboxed first. That's definitely going to be something that goes to one of the stock hangers. I think this system does utilize the stock hangers. I'm not sure yet. Got our clamps, which we're probably going to end up tack welding it together anyway, just to get a stronger, more secure connection, not worry about the exhaust falling down on the street. And yes, that has happened before. It's not fun. It's definitely a Y pipe right here. Quality, not bad for $400. I mean, you really can't beat a system for under that. So that's it down there. And then the fun part, nice and shiny. What do you think that is? 4 inch, 4.5 to 3 inch?
So with these systems, yeah. I don't know if you knew or not, but this is actually not a muffler.
Yeah, it's a resonator.
No, look inside of it. There's nothing in it.
Oh.
So it's basically the system. Okay. The system is a straight pipe.
Basically a straight pipe. I thought this was going to be a muffler.
Yeah, no. I've installed this exact system before.
There's nothing inside of here.
No, yeah, I showed it in the clip.
All right. Well, spoke too soon. I probably should have done that research before I bought it. But the car's going on a budget build, so I didn't really want to buy like a $1,000 Morola. This is going to work. All right, so quick little update, guys. This right here, as we confirmed, it's literally just a hollow straight pipe. There's nothing in here. It goes from like a 3 inch to, what is this, 4 inch. So if you guys want an alternative where you're not going to get as much droning and it's not going to be as loud, you can go to SLP and get a 3 inch muffler that would sit, muffler or resonator that would go in place of this straight pipe. But for now, we're just going to use what we have, run it. It is called the Loudmouth for a reason, so it's going to be pretty loud and drony, and I'm not really sure how I'm going to like that, but we'll try it out for now and go from there. There's only one way to find out, and that's to get it on the car. All right, easy there, man.
No, you're supposed to do that.
Rock-a-bye, baby. All right, we're going up.
There's no other spot to put it, so the
Block. Boom.
Did you see where I had to put them?
Yeah, that's where I put them. Yeah, that's good. But back here, it is a little rusty. You don't think that's factory exhaust? It looks factory. The hanger. This looks.
No, it's not, because look.
What?
Look at all those connections.
Yeah. Oh. All right. I guess rule number one, I really should get better at ordering parts, because I thought I read it was a catback, but it's not actually a catback. It's just an exhaust. It utilizes the stock thin little Y pipe, these little baby pipes, which I'm definitely gonna change in the future. So it goes from this point back, which is still gonna be an improvement because this thing's shot. It's all rusty. So at least we'll get that out of there for now. And here we have it. That goes over the axle, comes around, and boom, there's our quads. Now it's time to just take this and throw it up there. That's gonna be fun to separate. Definitely have to heat it up. So these clamps suck because it crushes the diameter and it's gonna make it a pain in the butt to get it separated. Okay, listen, PB blast. So the goal here is just cut the outer diameter and not nick the pipe that's on the inner diameter. So
you're still gonna touch it.
Yeah, but as long as I don't go fully through it, you'll be fine. Watch your eyes. Just enough.
It's not gonna come out.
Why not?
You have to cut it.
I have to cut it?
Yeah, because in order to take it out, you have to take this off.
Yeah, well that's not gonna happen.
I think I need some blade.
Alright, so with a few cuts and bangs, an air hammer, a sawzall, and a cutoff wheel, you can easily, in under like 5 minutes, take this exhaust apart. Still doesn't really make sense to me on where this mounts, but we're gonna figure that out next here. Alright guys, so as we're reading this instructions, and quite frankly, the exhaust fits like garbage, but I mean, for the price, what we're really gonna expect, and it kind of paying for the name at this point, but hey, we're gonna keep going and hopefully we get somewhere. But I'm reading the instructions and it goes, the SLP Loudmouth exhaust system does include a muffler. While it does not look, in quotes, like the traditional muffler, it is indeed a muffler by definition. So where is that piece? It's literally hollow, so I don't know how they think it's a muffler, but I guess they do, by definition, say it's a muffler. So we're just trying to figure out right now where the clamps go, because there's 3 different variations of clamps. You got these. You got these that first I thought were a flange, like a V-band clamp, but they're not. And then you got this regular exhaust clamp, the crushed one, which we don't like. So we're just trying to figure out right now where these all go, and hopefully finish this install very soon here. So far it has not been fun. Alright guys, so we got it mocked up here. We got our tripod jack holding us in place. Note for you guys installing this system, you are going to have to weld a mount or a hanger onto this the one they give you for the kit, because as you can see here, this does not actually bolt up to where they say. I don't know why or what happened, or if this is a manufacturing error, but what we did is we cut the hanger off of the stock exhaust and we're gonna weld it to this plate here, and we're gonna do that right after we slip our tips on After we slip our tips on, it'll give us a better idea as far as fitment and angle before we tack it down in place. So you can already see right here, this is gonna have to come far right around there. So that's kind of how it's gonna look. Try to get it nice and even, and then we can make our tacks for our hanger. So we're gonna do the pipe that will come over, the L pipe, and then do this side, and we're gonna have to kind of two-man job holding the correct angle. Also, I did not have the rubber insulator here, so I had to order one. So that's on its way. Just a generic universal hanger that's gonna come down about that far and allow us to go right onto that pipe there. Show 'em our hanger. There, that's what we had to order. I'll put the part number in the description, but yeah, should just go right on there. Here, do the honors. You got a pipe in one hand, I got a camera in the other. There you go. It should do the job. Boom. All right, so here you have it, guys. It is finally installed after a lot of pain. So the fitment rating on a scale 1 to 10, it's like a 3. We had a few problems here where it was constantly rubbing up against our chassis, and then over here it was rubbing the drive shaft, and then it was hitting the rear end, or no, not a rear end, our pan hard bar or trailing arm or whatever you want to call this. And it was rubbing here, so we finally got it perfect where it's not rubbing. You see we had to weld our hanger on here because the one they provide actually has no purpose at all. And then this was too loose, so we ended up putting a piece of metal and then tacking it to the factory hanger, so you guys see that. But overall, for what it's worth, we got it pretty good. You guys can check it out. The fitment's pretty even. The clamps also provided with the kit do not fit on here, so we ended up just tacking nicely our tips on, so they ain't going nowhere, that's for sure. So yeah, and then same here. Well, no, this clamp ended up working, but the ones back here.
No, I had that clamp. The clamp they provided didn't fit for that either.
Oh, they didn't. So all three of these clamps were garbage.
All three of the rear clamps don't fit.
Don't fit. So keep that in mind when you're doing that. All right, sorry, I just had to clear some storage. Anyway, going to our what SLP calls a muffler, which is not, right here. Boom, to our factory Y. And then boom, that's it. So eventually, if I do decide to keep this car, this will all get changed. We'll probably do a set of long tube headers with catless downpipes, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But for now, this will work a lot better than what we had before. So let's lower it and see how she sounds. Let's hear this loudmouth roar, baby. All right, so we just did a fresh oil change, new wiper blades. One of them did, I think, fly off on me. And Jason here is going to do the honors. So we might get a little sideways. Woo-wee. That was fun. Fishtailed about a good 1/8 mile. We got every light on, we're low on gas, traction control off, service engine from not having a muffler prior, so that will get cleared and we'll be all good. If only she was a T6. Alright, here you guys have it for the SLP exhaust install. Like I said, so far I'm just going on a test drive right now. Check for any rattles of the exhaust, and hopefully we'll be all good. So far so good. And I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. I also put a link for this exhaust on where I got it down in the description. So if you're looking for a cheap, good alternative for your F-body, look no further. It really wakens up this 5.7 LS1. So I hope you guys like it again, and we'll see you at the next video. Peace. There you go.